Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So, in this tutorial video, learn how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of a docking station only detecting one monitor. So, follow step by step instruction to ensure both monitors are recognized and working properly with your setup. So, let's start. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest video in the future and further information. Now, let's start. Here the first solution is confirm power and connection. So we have to check monitor is power on and connecting to the dock station securely. Then after that we have to verify the signal cable between the display and graphics card. So is properly connected. And now select the correct input port on the monitor. Then test the different signal cable to rule out any cable issue. Now let's move to solution 2. So solution 2 is say troubleshoot hardware. Connect the monitor to another laptop if need to check the issue lies with the computer. Test a non-working monitor to determine if the problem is with the graphics card and then disconnect all peripheral from the docking station to prevent conflict with the display. Now let's move to solution third. We have to reset docking station. Now first we have to turn off the docking station by disconnecting from the power or pressing the power button if available. Then some docking station have a reset button also. If have, then press and hold it for a few seconds to reset the device. And now disconnect all cables connecting to the docking station including power, USB and display cables. Then allow the docking station to sit unplugged for a couple of minutes, then ensure a complete reset. So now we have to plug all cables back into the docking station, power it on, then to see if the issue is resolved or not. Now let's move to solution 4. Update driver. So we have to update driver in our system. So let's start. So we have to go first in the home section. So here you have to press Window plus R. Then we have to type a D E V M G M T dot MSC. So and hit the enter button to open device manager. Then expand the display adapter category. So we have to find locate first display category and display adapter they are the and now we have to expand this. Then we are here to graphics card Intel or Nvidia GeForce. So we have to update them both. In like you can see which graphics card you use in your system. And now right click on the graphics card name and select update driver software. That's how. Then you have to choose search automatically for update driver software to let Windows find and install the latest driver automatically. As you can see, I am already installed it, so they can show this right. Then after this, I'm going to this my second graphics card. Right click on this and then update driver, and now search automatically for drivers. Then you can see also they are also installed. So that's how you can update your driver in your system. Now we are going to solution 5. Update docking station. So identify the model of your docking station like HP, Lenovo, Dell, which docking station company you uses. So visit the manufacturer website to find firmware update for your docking station model. Then download the latest firmware update. So now we have to install the firmware update according to the provided instruction. Then restart the computer after the update is complete. Now we are going to solution 6. Extend display manually. So same process we have to go into this home section, then we have to click right click on the empty area. So then we are going to display setting and now scroll down to multiple display section. So they are the multiple display section and now we have to click on this, then choose the option that allow you to extend this display. That's how you can do this. First we have to detect the other display, click on this. And now after this, as you can see, I am not connect any other display, so they not showing me. But you are connecting, so they will show you another option is called extend this display, and then you have to click apply or OK to save the change. That's how you can extend your display in your manually in your system. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you tackle the problem of docking station only detecting one monitor. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.